Good morning, everyone. So here I was looking out my window and we have a bunch of squirrels frolicking in Dad's garden. I don't know if you can see them or not. There's like 6 or 7 of them. They're all playing around the trees over here. They're all running around, enjoying the day. Finally getting some green. It's so nice. Very windy today. We got 25-mile-an-hour winds. Oh, there they go, chasing each other again. They chase each other all up into the woods. Oh, there's one on the fence to the pen. I love watching them. I didn't want to go out the door. Oh, they're all jumping around in the garden. I didn't want to go out the door and scare them away. There's one right here. Hi, buddy. I need to mow the lawn. He's taking some leftover treats from what fell out of the bird feeders.